Optoma UHZ36 UHD Laser Projector, Home Cinema Redefined. The Optoma UHZ36 UHD Laser Projector represents a significant leap forward in home entertainment technology, delivering stunning visuals, immersive cinematic quality, and long-lasting performance in a compact, user-friendly package. Designed for movie lovers, sports fans, and gamers alike, the UHZ36 brings big-screen experiences into living rooms, with brightness, clarity, and convenience that rival high-end TVs. Brilliant 4K picture quality. At the core of the Z36 is its true 4K, 3840x2160 resolution, harnessing DLP imaging to produce crisp, detailed images with 4 times the pixel count of standard Full HD. Combined with a high 3500 lumens brightness rating, this projector handles well-lit rooms and large screen sizes with ease, ensuring content appears vibrant and engaging whether daydreaming over films or watching live games. HDR support further enhances dynamic range and color intensity, bringing out deeper blacks and richer highlights. One of the standout metrics is the 1,500,000 to 1 contrast ratio, which delivers significant depth and dimension, making subtle details and darker scenes more striking. These visual capabilities allow the UHZ36 to rival much larger installation setups while still fitting comfortably into home spaces. Advanced image and motion enhancement. Optoma equips the UHZ36 with its proprietary PureEngine image enhancement suite, which includes technologies such as Pure Detail, Pure Contrast, and Pure Motion. Pure Detail sharpens fine textures and detail without artificial over-sharpening. Pure Contrast elevates depth and perceived depth in scenes, and Pure Motion smooths motion performance for action-packed content like sports and fast films. These enhancements work together to produce beautifully rendered, lifelike visuals on every frame. A notable addition is Filmmaker Mode, a feature that disables post-processing effects, like motion smoothing, so viewers can watch movies exactly as the director intended, preserving original frame rates, color grading, and aspect ratios for an authentic cinematic experience. Laser-powered longevity and convenience. One of the biggest advantages of the UHZ36 is its DuraCore laser light source, which provides up to 30,000 hours of virtually maintenance-free viewing in eco mode, far exceeding the lifespan of traditional lamp-based projectors. This means years of uninterrupted use without bulb replacements, making it ideal for frequent movie nights or everyday entertainment. The laser design also ensures consistently high brightness and color performance over time, with minimal warm-up and improved reliability. Built-in auto vertical keystone correction and a flexible throw ratio allow users to set up the projector easily in many room layouts without complex calibration. Immersive big-screen entertainment. The UHZ36 supports screen sizes from modest 50-inch experiences to truly vast 300-inch projections, making it a versatile choice whether you're watching in a small living room, home theater, or dedicated media room. With HDMI ARC support for Dolby Digital 2.0, Dolby Digital 5.1, and True HD 5.1 audio formats, and a 15 West built-in speaker. The projector also covers essential connectivity and sound without needing additional gear for basic setups.